Hi everybody, this is Lee from King Harvest and kingharvest.org. I'm here with Bridget, and what we're doing is a small series on single questions or single topic stuff where we're just doing a little Q&A on specific disorders and different symptoms. So many patients ask us about opiate addiction and how cannabis oil and cannabis medicines can help patients get off opiates and get off their other pharmacology. And so she's going to ask me a couple of questions so we can see if it helps your situation and if it applies to you. Okay?
So the first question is, how does cannabis oil relieve opiate addiction?
So cannabis oil relieves opiate addiction. The mechanism is that it lies in the reason that we take opiates in the first place. It's for pain. For pain from an acute injury. So what happens, as we all know, is if you take opiates for too long, you start becoming dependent on them, and then you no longer make your body's own natural opiates and pain-fighting chemicals and compounds. Cannabis oils can help opiate addiction because in this form, in the pure extract form, this is actually more psychoactive, more relaxing, more sedative than even morphine in the hospital. So this medicine is an indica full extract oil with above 800 milligrams per gram. Somewhere between 50 and 100 milligrams, an oral dose of this, believe me, it will make you forget about your hydrocodone, your Norco, your morphine, your heroin, whether your drugs come from the pharmaceutical industry or they come from the street. Morphine-based medicines all behave the same, and yes, we can help get you off of these medicines, these horrible, debilitating medicines that make you dependent on them, with cannabis oils. Simple answer, cannabis oil is stronger, makes you feel better than even morphine-based medicines.
So are they dangerous like pharmaceuticals?
No. Unlike pharmaceuticals, cannabis oil is not a neurological or a respiratory suppressant of any kind. So medicines that they give you in the hospital or morphine-based stuff, that's going to stop your heart, right? It's going to stop your heart, it's going to stop your breathing. That's why it's so dangerous. Besides the fact that it's highly addictive and you're never going to make your own naturally again, cannabis oils do not get in the way of your own natural pain-killing process. They don't cause you to get worse and more debilitated, and they are not at all dangerous. Cannabis oils have never hurt anybody. If you overdose on this, all you're going to do is feel good.
So what can I expect to happen if I want to come off opiates and I want to try cannabis oil?
So in the first 2 hours, you'll start to feel better. Over the next 72 hours, we'll be able to raise the levels of the cannabis oils in your system to match or exceed your morphine-based medicines. We do all of that under care with counseling. We assign you to a dosing coach. If you come to King Harvest, it's very important. But what we're going to do is we're going to stabilize you on the cannabis oils, and then we're going to slowly reduce you your pharmacology according to your doctor. In many cases, we'll work with you, go back to your doctor with you, and start the process with you.
So for long term, is this a better option?
It's a much better option because it doesn't render you dependent and it doesn't render you a little worse off. Pharmacology is just basically little bits of plastic that are managing symptoms and masking the problem that's going on. CBD and THC in combination, the THC is going to mask all of your withdrawal symptoms, and then the CBD is going to repair the reason you were taking the morphine-based medicines in the first place.
Okay, so how do I get these medicines?
The way you get these medicines is you just simply contact us here at kingharvest.org. Call us at 1-877-469-4584, or please visit us at kingharvest.org. You can also send us emails directly, but please visit us at kingharvest.org and call us at 877-469-4584. We will talk to you without obligation, talk to you about your situation, your case. It won't cost you a dime. We can just give you an orientation of where you're at and to see if these wonderful medicines can help you. Thank you very much for watching.
Happy healing.
Hi everyone, this is Lee from King Harvest and kingharvest.org. I wanted to take a moment and thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe or click on one of the videos to your right. Further, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. You can also visit us at kingharvest.org. Thank you again, and happy healing.